trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies, but we get along.